Hey guys, Mr. Rumbar here. Sorry I'm gone today. I am actually at a PE professional development with a whole bunch of other PE teachers, just learning some of the things that they do and going to bring some of those ideas back to share with you guys. So today we have a split gym setup. On one side we have Sideline Scooter Soccer Rocket League. On the other side we have um, Newcomb. So the way that it's going to work in just a minute, we're going to keep class by class, and we'll split you guys up. Miss Bunny will go off one side, and our guest teacher will go with the other side, and then we'll split you up and go from there. With Sideline Scooter Soccer, we know the deal. Split you up into two teams. Half of you will be sideline, half of you will be scooter. Remember, playing on your butts. When you're on the scooter, you can kick it, you can throw it, you can hit with your head. When you're on the sideline, you can only throw it back in. Remember, the sideline people cannot score a goal, so they need to pass it to someone so that they can score. The every couple of minutes we'll switch. So if you're on a sideline, you go to scooter. If you're on scooter, you go to sideline. Remember, you can have a goalie, but the rules are the same for them. They have to stay on the scooter. They can't stand up and block it. If there are extra scooters that are not being used, that's fine. They can stay on the side. Just because you see an extra scooter doesn't mean you get to jump on it. When we're done and ready to rotate, make sure that we have the dark scooters on one end, the light scooters on the other end, so we can get ready and go from there. When it comes time to switch, you will spend the other half of your time playing Newcomb. We've played this a couple times recently. Fourth and fifth graders, you should definitely know the rules, but quickly to go over them. Again, this is a game using the volleyball net, but we are not hitting it. We are catching and throwing that ball. We'll split you up into two even teams. When the ball comes over, if you catch the ball, nobody's out. You have 3 seconds or 3 steps to get that ball back over to the other side. If it goes to the other side and they don't catch it, whoever's the closest person is out. If there's two people close by, rock, paper, scissors, decide who is out. If people touch the ball, same thing. If I touch it and it hits the ground, I'm out. If two of us touch the ball, then we do a rock, paper, scissors to decide who's out. When you're out, you go to the sideline and you need to stand in order on those poly spots. That will help keep track of who comes in next. And the way that you get people back in is when the ball is being thrown over, if you catch it with one hand. Again, you can use your body, but if both hands are on it, it doesn't bring anybody back in. But if you catch it with one hand, that is how you bring somebody back in who's been out. So if you start to realize, oh, man, there are a lot of people that are gone, or, man, I got to get some of our best players are out, whatever the situation, it might be worth it to try and catch it with one hand. When you get down to one person, it's automatically a Newcomb. We kind of changed that from last year. So, again, one person left, it's automatic Newcomb. And, again, a Newcomb just means if there's 10 people on this side, one person on this side, when one of the 10 people throws it over, if that one person catches it, everybody in their team comes back in and they get a fresh start. And now they have the advantage on the other team. So, again, the Newcomb happens automatically, and we don't need to yell that out. You can still yell at Newcomb if you want to. I will be back for you guys next week, so I look forward to hearing positive comments for you guys. And these are two games we know how to play. This should not be too different of a day for you. So make sure that you guys are representing your class, representing Eastwood, and just having a fun time with Miss Bundy and our guest teacher. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys next week.